guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing our new camera, which is the Supremo Conquest. Let's go ahead and find more about the details and features of it. Please keep on watching.
Hi guys, taking over the vlog. Hi guys, continuing the unboxing and showing you the included accessories and features nitong Supremo Action Cam, Supremo Conquest. So this is the camera itself. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Focus natin, there we go. So maganda yung texture niya. Matte, hindi siya madulas. Power button. Ito yung shutter button. Here's the screen. Hindi siya touchscreen, pero makinis. And then ito yung functional button sa gilid, yung dalawa. Dito yung battery. Yan, battery. Andiyan sa loob yung battery. Saka yung micro SD card. So again, this is the camera itself, the action camera. Here's the waterproof case. So sabi ni Supremo Conquest, ayan, focus natin, ha? Ayan. So 40 meters waterproof, up to 130 feet deep ang kaya niyang i-accommodate na water pressure. Ito yung quick release mount, nasa ilalim. Nahulog. Ito yung extra battery na kasama. Ayan. Ito yung bag, Supremo bag, kasama rin. Meron tayong wireless remote, so you can control yung camera if you want to take pictures, videos without pressing dun sa camera. Ito. Sorry, naputol. Ito yung 32GB micro SD card, SanDisk. Free din to sa bundle package. Tapos merong jack pad, merong cellphone holder. Yan. Tapos ito yung mount para ikakabit mo dito. And then i-attach mo si Supremo Conquest. Dual battery charger, very important lalo na pag mga magta-travel. USB cable for charging and for connecting the camera sa laptop or desktop computer. Pero sabi nga pala nung nasa TechnoPop, pag magcha-charge, huwag mag-charge direct sa camera. So use the dual charger. We have the straps, and meron siya kasamang straps to secure the camera if you'll attach it sa helmet or any other stable na surface. This is the charger, desktop charger. Wala nga lang siyang kasamang adapter, pero madali na yan dito sa atin. We have the 3M adhesive tape and the stainless steel tether. So ito, pretty much you use it to attach yung mga mount sa helmet or sa flarings ng motor, kaya ko pwede rin sa U-box. And then ito yung stainless tether para in case na mahulog or ma-detach sa tape, meron pa rin secondary na protection. We have the mini tripod. Merong Supremo sticker. So, yan, kasama rin siya. Handlebar mount. So, if you want to mount your camera, your action cam sa handlebar ng motorcycle or ng mountain bike or bikes or scooters, pwede siya. Here, replacement back cover. This is used for recording with audio. Kasi yung isa, it's waterproof, so hindi siya good for audio recording. So if you'll do inland audio recording, Better use this one. J-hook. So letter J. There you go. So para sa chin mount helmet, we have the flat and the curved helmet mount. So depende kung anong klaseng helmet surface yung pagkakabitan nyo. Merong curved, merong flat. We have the 360 pivot arm. So if you want to use your camera, then ikot-ikot mo siya. Ayan. Pwede. Yung bag, ang sabi ko kanina to. So, sa loob ng bag, merong different compartments para maprotektahan yung camera if you'll be traveling. Hindi siya, organized. Yan. We have the connecting brackets. If you want to change the angle nung video recording, so you can use this. Ito yung mga features ng Supremo Conquest. Again, 40 meters waterproof up to 130 feet. Meron siyang slow motion, anti-shake for stability. It has the most advanced sensor and Hisilicon chipset. So very good for recording. So may motor po. Yung mga aso ko nag-iingay. Yung screen, hindi siya touchscreen pero 2 inches HD LCD. And then 20 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and 3 megapixel yung kaya nung lens ng Supremo Conquest. So wide dynamic range for video, may HD for photos as well. Up to 128 GB na SD card ang kaya niya. And that's about it. Yeah, thank you. By the way, yung price pala nakuha namin siya ng very affordable package. Original price sa TechnoPop 3,880. We got the KimStore offer, so less na 1,000 may get or give and take. Nakuha namin siya ng 2,999. And then pagdating namin sa TechnoPop, they're on sale 20% sa lahat ng items. So nakuha pa namin siya less 500. And then yung Supremo Bundle package, we got it for 1,499. So malaki yung naging discount doon. If bibili kayo, kontakin niyo si KimStore. Baka naman, sabi nga, 'di ba? Thank you.